When you're using Azure files to store documents, backups, logs, or user data, accidents can happen. Files may be modified or deleted unintentionally, or ransomware could strike. That's where snapshots and soft delete come in. Snapshots give you point in time copies of your file shares. You can restore individual files or the entire share to a previous state, like rewinding time. Soft delete acts like a recycle bin. If you or someone else deletes an Azure file share, it's not gone immediately. Instead, you get a recovery window to bring it back without panic. Together, they provide a strong data protection strategy. Snapshots act as read-only point-in-time backups of your Azure file shares. They're incremental, meaning only changes since the last snapshot consume space, making them highly efficient. You can create snapshots manually when needed or automate them using Azure Backup or custom scripts. These snapshots live in the same storage account, and you can browse them like folders, view older versions of your files, and copy back anything you need without affecting the current state of your file share. To create a snapshot manually, start by going to your storage account in the Azure portal. From there, navigate to the File Share section. Then click on the specific file share where you want to take the snapshot. Once inside, simply select plus Add Snapshot. Azure will instantly capture the current state of that file share. Once your snapshot is created, you will see it listed under the Snapshots tab. You can browse through it just like you would with regular folders, making it easy to restore files or folders as needed. Always create a snapshot before making major file changes or updates. It gives you a safety net, allowing you to recover quickly if something goes wrong. You can also build snapshots into your scheduled backup strategy for ongoing protection. Soft delete is your built-in safety net for recovering deleted file shares in Azure. When a file share is accidentally or intentionally deleted, Azure doesn't remove it permanently right away. Instead, it holds on to that deleted share, including all its files and folders, for a specific retention period that you configure. During that time, you can easily undelete and restore the entire share, bringing everything back just as it was. You have full control over the retention period, anywhere between 1 to 365 days. Once that window expires, the share is permanently deleted and can no longer be recovered. So it's important to choose a duration that fits your organization's recovery needs. To enable soft delete for your Azure file shares, start by signing in to the Azure portal. From there, open the storage account where your file shares are located. In the left-hand menu under the Data Storage section, click on File Shares. You will see a list of all file shares in that storage account. Go ahead and click on the one you want to configure. Once you are inside that file share, you will land on its overview blade. Look over to the right-hand side of the screen and under Feature Status, you will find the Soft Delete setting. This section shows whether soft delete is currently enabled and displays the configured retention period, which determines how long Azure will retain deleted shares for recovery. Once this feature is enabled, any deleted file share will appear in your list with the recovery option, as long as it's still within the configured retention window. It's a simple but powerful safeguard that can save you from unexpected data loss. Let's get on the Azure portal and see this in action. To create a snapshot, simply select the file share you want and then click on the snapshots option from the left-hand menu. From there, you will be able to capture a point-in-time backup of your file share with just one click. It's quick, easy, and gives you peace of mind before making any major changes. You're currently viewing the snapshots blade for the Azure file share named My File Share. This page allows you to manage all snapshots associated with this specific file share. Simply click Add Snapshot button to create a new snapshot instantly. This captures the current state of the file share. You are now looking at the Soft Delete settings panel for Azure file shares within storage account. This screen appears after you click on the Soft Delete configuration shown in the File Shares overview. From here, you can control whether Soft Delete is enabled for all file shares and define how long deleted shares should be retained. At the top of the panel, you will see a toggle labeled Soft Delete for all file shares, which is currently turned on. This means that if any file share gets deleted, whether by mistake or on purpose, it won't be removed permanently right away. Instead, Azure will keep it in a recoverable state for a period of time that you define below. Just beneath the toggle, you will find the retention slider labeled File Share Retainment Period in days. I have set it to 14 days, which means any deleted file share will be preserved for 2 weeks before being permanently removed. This gives you a solid recovery window in case something goes wrong. Once you've chosen your desired retention period, simply click Save to apply the setting. If you change your mind, you can click Discard to cancel without making any updates. This feature is incredibly useful for protecting your file shares from accidental deletions and ensuring you always have a chance to recover important data.